If you filed your 2290 at a lower weight than the maximum, say 60,000 pounds, and you find later on during the tax year you need to increase that weight to say 70,000 pounds, you're in luck. That is an amendment to your original 2290 that can be e-filed. Click right here to IRS e-file, and then choose the option on the left to start your online return. You'll start by filling in the blanks, the name of the company, the PIN number, and the name of the officer and owner. Once they're filled in, you're going to scroll down to underneath the address information and go to the section titled Amendments. It's going to ask you, is this 2290 a VIN correction, a weight increase, or a removal from suspension? And since we are increasing the weight, we're going to say yes. And then it wants to know which reason we're amending today. And we're going to say weight increase. Then you can scroll down to the bottom and hit Save and Continue. Now, I'm not going to put my vehicle on step 2. If I put my vehicle here, it's going to calculate the full tax, and that's not what I want. So I'm just going to select here the date that I'm making my change. In this case, it's going to be January, and I'll save and continue. Now it's here on step 3 where I'm going to list my vehicle. In this fourth black bar under total gross weight increase, I'm going to say yes. And this is where I'm going to type in my VIN number and choose the month of the increase, the month when I need the weight to go up. I'm going to pick my new weight category of, where is it, 70,000 pounds, and my old weight category of 60,000 pounds. And you'll see that it automatically calculates the amount of tax that I previously paid, so that it knows how much I actually owe now. I don't have to go back and repay old taxes. I'm only going to pay the difference for the remaining portion of the year for the increased weight. Now, if you'd like to, you can attach some kind of supporting documentation. You would just choose your file here and click upload, the same way you do an attachment on an email. But it's not required. It's just here if you'd like to provide documentation. Then I'm going to save and continue. And then you'll finish the return as normal. You'll choose your payment method, you'll review your return, and you'll submit it to us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 888-802-4299. Again, our number is 888-802-4299. Thank you.